right back. Ashipagotu in the centre, scored 3, while Bilik didn't get on court. Here he is now, though, and he scores his first goal of the weekend. Passive play call now against them. They got 4 passes to get the ball away. There was an opportunity on the left. It was missed. Jonsson absolutely hammers it into the back of the net. Into the wing again. Ignatov, big angle. Goes for the in-flight goal. Brilliant. And what a way to take over the lead in the top scorers of this year's European League. He scored a couple of goals. Ashipagotu. Kutz is staying on at the moment on the right back position. Ashipagotu. Cavalcanti. Beautifully put away. Jonsson. Johansson again. Absolute bullet down the middle. And they go back in front 17-16. Not the greatest pass, but well recovered by Bilik. Ashipagotu hammers it into the back of the net. Long-range effort for his third goal. Not that one, though. So they are back to full strength again now, Kiel. In-flight goal! Beautiful! And Dunyak's first attack. Need to probably finish the match now with Barufet on a red. Beautiful play. Balenciaga, coolly done. On the last transition, long-range shot. And Lichtlein dropped his head even before the ball crossed the line. Bilik is back on again. Dunyak moves down the bench. Beautiful. He's so quick, a difficult customer, Ashipagotu. Balenciaga. Cavalcanti. Great save, Wolf. Bilik. Ashipagotu. What a goal! In the air, absolutely. Shoot around the defender. That is brilliant. Absolutely fantastic by Ashipagotu. Completely to take bronze. Both teams, in fairness, have been turning the bench. And a lovely goal again. Class by Ashipagotu. They're already starting to congratulate their opponents. There goes the buzzer. And Kiel take bronze in the Maschinensucher EHF Finals.